बोलना
बोलना तेरा काउंटर.
हाय गाइस वेलकम. क्या बाल सवारी जा रही, रुक जा सीधे. हाय गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. Hi
Hi
everyone,
everyone.
welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have my sister with us
Hello guys.
and we'll be doing a little Q&A session. She actually wanted to ask me some questions
That I
and
found on internet.
yes, and here I am to answer her questions. So let's start. So the first question is,
What is your favorite childhood memory of us?
when she was very little, I left for college, so I don't have any specific memory of us together. But I have a very sweet memory of the day when she was born. कितनी खुश हो रही है.
खुशी नहीं
I
होती
was
है?
very happy. I remember I was like going to the school. I was standing outside my home waiting for the school bus and everything. When my parents called and told a baby girl has born, I was so happy that I'll have a sister. I never knew what my goals will be with my sister, but I just wanted to have a sister. I was so fed up with my brother. I did not wanted another brother. I was very happy, and I remember taking her in my arms for the first time. Yeah, I just have very fresh memories of that. Rest are vague because I was also very little at that time.
The second question is, what's one thing you admire about me?
One thing which I admire about her is like she's very compassionate about people. Like whoever she loves with her full heart. She's never like loving someone like half-heartedly. I've never seen her being involved with people half-heartedly. When like wherever she is, she's totally present with the person, and she's always ready for everything. Like whatever you tell her, like I want to go out, she's ready. Can you please make me something? She's ready. So she's ready for it. But except my YouTube video, shooting for my YouTube video, and she's ready for everything. So yeah, this is what I admire about her.
Third question, what's something you have always wanted to tell me but never did?
My next question. And I don't have anything which I've never told her. Actually, I discuss things which I wanted to discuss with her. So she knows most of the things. So there's nothing like that.
What's one dream you still want to achieve?
A solo trip with my sister. The moment I start earning, the moment I'll get my YouTube income, we'll be going for a solo trip. That's the one thing.
Except
One
our
dream.
except our brother, उसको तो लेके
Solo
नहीं
trip,
जाएंगे.
अपना sister's trip. Sorry, not solo trip, sister's trip. Yeah.
What's the biggest lesson life has taught you so far?
The biggest lesson life has taught me is everything is temporary, and not to keep things inside you and overthink. Like sometimes we think that if we'll speak something or if we'll tell someone something, things might get spoiled. But it's better to spoil things and connections than to spoil yourself. So yeah, that's the like biggest lesson which I know.
Next question, I don't remember the number.
Okay, I also don't remember the number.
How do you want to be remembered?
I want to be remembered as someone who is dancing in sunlight in a yellow dress. So that kind of image I want to have. I want people to have about me. Yeah.
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what it be?
What
it would be?
So the piece of advice for my younger self would be that you will make it one day, and everything will get better with time, and whatever you are going through is necessary. It is not like you are getting punished, it's like you're getting prepared for better things in life. So even if my younger self would think, why is it happening to me right now, after some time secrets will be revealed, you will be revealed to God's plan, and you will be like, I'm glad that this all happened to me.
Is there something I do that make you feel loved or appreciated?
What she does that makes me feel loved, like, I feel loved when we talk, and when she goes out with her friends leaving me behind, I do not feel loved.
Oh.
I feel loved when she leaves everyone else and then decides to go with me. Unfortunately, right now that's not possible because I have an injury, but yeah, still I want you to not go with everyone else but me.
Okay, next question. What's a moment in life when you felt truly happy?
Like some weeks or either months before, I was just randomly cooking and I realized, oh, I'm not stressing. how can I be so neutral to things, and why am I not overthinking? So these are the little moments in my life which make me really happy.
What's something you want to do together that we haven't done yet?
The trip, we
The
have
trip.
not been on a trip yet.
What's one habit of mine that annoys you the most?
One habit of her that annoys me the most, she lies without any reason. She knows that she won't be punished for things and no one will be scolding her. Still, she lies. I don't know why. Why is she so scared and everything? But she lies. The last question will be mine. Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why?
I don't know.
क्यों? क्या मिलता है झूठ बोल के?
कुछ भी नहीं.
फिर she knows that things will be okay and we won't like scold her or anything because of this thing, but she will still lie. Why? What kind of childhood trauma do you have which
I don't
makes
know.
you lie?
सच बोलो तो मम्मी मारती थी मुझे तो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट.
अभी थोड़ी मार पड़ती है.
नहीं,
तो फिर अब क्यों झूठ बोलती है?
अभी कब बोला?
अच्छा बता दूं कब बोला था? अभी 4 दिन पहले जब तुझे पापा ने कुछ पूछा था.
ये अगर तुमने डाला देख लेना.
She still lied. क्यों झूठ बोलती है तुम्हें?
By the way, we did her needless curl.
Yeah,
How they turned out.
Yesterday, around 12 a.m. we did these. Yesterday तो कहाँ हुआ वो? Today.
Today, 12 a.m.
तो फिर we did my heatless curls, but they turned out to be this way. So that's why my hair looked like this. These were the questions, guys, which she had from me. I hope मैं आंसर दे पाई. पता नहीं क्यों पूछना था. I hope I was able to answer the questions. I don't know why.
Next will be the vlog. Next will be the vlog.
Which vlog?
I don't know.
Which vlog do you want to shoot?
I don't know. Just a vlog.
Which vlog? Vlog of what thing? Going out. Being
Going
at
out.
home.
No, being at home, we don't do anything at home. So it's just going out.
If I get some time to shoot things, and she will be leaving in 2-3 days, and if we get time and we go somewhere, then we'll be shooting a vlog and then we'll upload it. For now, thank you for watching, and yeah, thank you.